Hello, I'm Andrew Kirby, CEO and President of Toyota South Africa Motors. I have a safety-critical message to share with you. I'd like to talk to you about our new campaign, Don't Risk It, Fix It. The Takata airbag issue remains the largest automotive safety recall in history, affecting multiple manufacturers globally. Back in 2008, Takata found that the airbags supplied and fitted in millions of vehicles from automakers around the world had faulty inflators. These faulty airbag inflators can rupture when the airbag deploys, spraying sharp metal fragments inside the cabin. Although this is not a new recall, it's a public safety issue as lives have been tragically lost around the world. Toyota's commitment to manufacturing safe and reliable vehicles remains a key priority. This is why we are not standing still.
With the Don't Risk It, Fix It campaign, our mission is simple: to keep you, your family, friends, and employees safe.
If your vehicle is affected, we are going to use all means necessary to get hold of you.
Please act today and schedule the free repair. Our nationwide dealer network is ready. Repairs are free, quick, and handled by skilled Toyota technicians.
Remember, your recall repair is free. So please take a few minutes, scan the QR code to check your VIN today. And if your vehicle is affected, contact your nearest dealership to schedule a repair immediately.
Here at Toyota, the safety of our customers is always our top priority. That's why we're committed to resolving this issue as quickly, conveniently, and safely as possible. So please do this for yourself. Better yet, do it for the person riding beside you. Don't risk it, fix it. Please visit toyota.co.za/Takata recall today to check your VIN and schedule your free repair.